Today is another GS550 day, and I know there's a small handful of you out there who are going to be complete keyboard warriors on this video. Today we are exhaust wrapping. The last time I put an exhaust wrapping video up, which was the CX, there's a lot of debate on what is the correct way to exhaust wrap. There's a lot of different information out there on the internet. So what I am going to say is whatever I do in this video, don't copy me, don't take that what I do is right. It might not be. Do what you want to do what makes you happy. So what I mean by that is there's a lot of debate whether people wet these, soak these, dampen these, or use them dry. For me, I prefer to use them dry, especially on the GS at this very moment. For one particular reason is that I'm not going to be starting the GS to dry it, so I don't want to leave a damp cloth tape, fiberglass tape on the exhaust tree. I don't fancy doing that. I'm not going to be starting the bike because of two reasons. Number one, there is a newborn baby in the house, so I really don't want to wake him up at the moment. And the other reason as well is that I've disconnected a few wires. I am replacing the regulator rectifier on that, so I have sort of hacked away at the wiring system a little bit, so I'm not going to be starting it today. So that is why I'm going to be putting this on dry. But like I said, there's a lot of debate whether to put it wet. Some people soak it wet. Some people say that by soaking it, you're actually getting rid of a lot of the chemical properties that actually make this tape function when it dries. Some people say just to dampen it. Like I said, other people say to do it dry. So I have my two rolls here, cable ties, I've got my exhaust clamps as well, so I'm going to be finally clamping these exhausts in place, or these silencers in place. And then at the end of this video, it's going to be in exactly the same stage as where the CX is right now. And it's happy days. We're going to get both these bikes on the road, hopefully before the summer ends. But for the time being, let's wrap this exhaust. And there you have it, simple video for this week. GS550 has now been exhaust wrapped, so the last thing that I need to do on that now, come to think of it, is put on the regulator rectifier. When that comes, it should be here. I think it's being delivered on the 23rd of this month, so exciting times for that, I hope. Same with the CX500, it's being delivered for that. So the next thing on the GS550 is actually to put the rear lights on, and there we have it, that is done. Same with the CX, same story with CX. So the next video that'll be coming to your screens will be working on the CX, and that again is sorting the rear lights on that. And that should be the last step of the bike. We can then have it tested and taken onto the road. So that is the very last job we need to do. Apart from just fine tuning the carbs, obviously, that will be the last building job as such. And then the CX will be done and you can see it in all its glory out on the road. And that's gonna be exciting times. So to come, GS, CX, we've got the CV750 as well. The engine on that will be sorted next week as well. So it's all to come to you. It's going to be really weird without working on the CX. I have really enjoyed it, especially over these last few months where everything started gathering pace for the bike shed. I've really enjoyed working on it. So it'll be sad not to have anything important to do on it, but me being me, there's going to be stuff that I need to do to the CX. So there are stuff like 3D printing the bracket for the dial. There's going to be a plasma cut cover for the radiator, all that as well. So it's not going to be the end of the CX when we get out on the road, and there's going to be motor vlogs as well, so there'll be riding videos and all sorts, and that will be exciting, and that's when it's going to start getting really exciting for this channel. I cannot wait. Once these two are done, there's obviously going to be another bike in the workshop, but I'm not bringing one in until these two are done. I've made a promise to myself, these have to go out first. If you like what you see, if you want to stay up to date with this channel, then subscribe if you haven't already. Press that like button on this video and press the bell icon as well. That'll give you instant notifications when there's new videos on this channel as well. Follow me on Instagram and support the channel at featherboldindustries.com. We've got 2 new designs of t-shirts in. We've got the Blood, Sweat and Oil t-shirt, and we've got this new design that's just come out now. So head there, see if you like anything, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, safe riding.